Now I'm going to show you the tapping points we'll be using. The first is the eyebrow point, right at the inner edge of the eyebrow. Tap gently with 1 or 2 fingertips. You can tap both sides at once or just one side, whichever feels most comfortable. The same applies to the points at the side of the eyes, on the bone at the outer corner of each eye. You can tap either side or both sides at once. And the next is the under eye point, on the bone directly beneath the eye. Again, tap gently on one side or both. Then tap under the nose, in the space between your nose and upper lip, using 1 or 2 fingertips. The next point is known as the chin point, although it's actually in the crease between your lower lip and your chin. Next are the collarbone points. They're quite high up in the soft hollows just below the collarbones and close to the center of your chest. And even if you're angry, there's no need to tap hard. Keep it gentle and be kind to yourself, okay? For the finger points, try both options and see which feels better. Tap your fingertips together like this, or use 1 or 2 fingers to tap the points besides each fingernail, okay? Tap each point around 5 to 8 times, then move on to the next one and choose a pace that feels comfortable for you. Finally, there's the point at the side of the hand, often called the carrot chop point, and you can even tap this point discreetly under a table if you don't want anyone to notice, and that's all there is to do.